Hey everybody, good to see you all again. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, I'm Jason Yoder. This is where I share with you my travel and my photography. And tonight I'm hoping to share with you what I'm hoping is going to be an interesting sunset. We actually have rain in the Sonoran Desert. The weather changes so fast here. We have some beautiful rays of light coming through the clouds, just not quite in a place where I can really get a great image. But it looks like we have some clouds on the horizon that could prove interesting. We're about an hour from sunset. For those of you who don't live in the desert, you probably don't understand why I'm running outside with my camera. We don't get much rain here. Rain means clouds. Clouds mean beautiful sunsets. That's what we're after tonight, a beautiful sunset. So we're starting to get some of that beautiful light that comes under a thunderstorm cloud. And it's also very low angle, so it's very soft light. What I'm trying to do right now is get away from the road behind me. I just saw for the first time, pulling into this parking lot, this dirt road that we're on right now. So I'm walking down it. It's taking me into the preserve and also letting me see the ground because the rattlesnakes are out and I don't want to accidentally come across one. Oh, and the other thing, oh, that humidity in the air. What a treat. So right now I'm struggling trying to find a composition here because I'm in very flat land. And unfortunately the saguaros I thought that were going to be nearby aren't nearby. So yeah, I got a lot of shrubs, a lot of grass, beautiful mountains to the north and to the south, and a lot of clouds. So not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this tonight. We'll see here. Wow, but it is nice to be out here away from all the noise of Phoenix. Decided to move on the other side of this dam. Yes, I said a dam in the middle of the desert. Yeah, it took me a while to realize what this structure was. It gets much larger as you head down the road. So I'm thinking that these clouds behind me is where the action's gonna be. Also gonna get some mountains over here that are a little bit closer and will be lit up. So that's what we're going for. So I'm gonna walk down this side of the dam just a little bit, see if I can find a foreground element to anchor the image, and then we're going to get things set up. Because I'm in such a flat, low area, I need to find a clearing to give me a good view of the landscape. All right, this is going to be the spot. Got to hurry up and get things set up. Now, just to be clear, what you did not see me do is check out the immediate area for snakes and other things I do not want to be around. All right, well, normally I prefer to shoot at the sun during sunset and sunrise, but tonight we're going to try something a little bit differently. I'm going to set up to get a pano in while the light is still good, and I've got light on the mountain behind me and also on these clouds, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed. We're going to get something beautiful tonight. something I do have to watch out for is my shadow is right over there, so we're going to avoid the panel in that direction. Let's get this all set up. Fix that white balance. Let's do this. So, the light faded in that direction and a thunderstorm is developing behind us that's starting to capture some of the sunlight. We're going to rush around this dam, see if we can capture anything in that direction. Well, the good part about this quick location change, I'm starting to head back to the road. I am in the middle of the desert. There's a lot of nighttime critters out here. So, don't want to be out here when it's pitch black. But again, hoping to get around this dam so we can capture the light of that hitting that thunderstorm. Gotta do this one quick. The light is fading fast. Let's get this thing going here.
This is not how I like to do my landscape photography. I would have preferred to have some time to look for a composition, but time is not on my side right now. That sun is setting fast and those clouds are lighting up. That is why it is important to know your camera, so when you do have to rush things, you still can capture beautiful imagery.
Oh yeah, light's fading. Come on. It's gonna be a pretty wide panel because I am zoomed. I'm trying to capture where the sun has set behind the mountains. There's some sunbeams coming up. And now we're starting to get into the frame, the edge of the thunderstorm. Got some beautiful hues, purple hues on the underside of the cloud. Oh yeah, we're getting it. You know, it's absolutely a beautiful, beautiful evening out here. I think the rain also helped keep the gnats down. Tell you what, liking this social distancing thing, it's working out pretty good. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a pack of coyotes nearby. Dangerously close. I can hear them yelping. We need to get out of here.
Now, the funny thing about this social distancing is that I'm over a mile from my car and anybody else. 1 coyote is not bad. 2 is a problem. A pack? I don't even want to know.
Sounds like they made a kill. We're not going to let it be us, though. We are not going to become dessert. Let's get out of here. All right. Sound does carry out here. So they could be farther away than what I think. I'm not willing to risk it. And they just stopped their hollering. Definitely time to get out of here. All right, so good news is, looks like I'm not upwind of them, at least not yet. Coyotes are generally scared of humans, but I'm one human. That was the pack. Would it be a beautiful night if I didn't feel like I was being hunted? So yeah, I'm moving about twice as fast as when I came in here. When I came in here, I was looking. Okay, so yeah, woo. When I came in here, I was looking for a place something to photograph, enjoying the walk. But wow, that nocturnal desert woke up a little too soon. Well, despite the fact I'm trying to rush out the wilderness, check out that sunset. Now, I used to think that no place in the world could beat Key West for sunsets. Then I moved here. What a beautiful, beautiful glow in the sky. Wish I could enjoy it. Wish I could try and capture it. But, gotta err on safety here and get out before that coyote pack shows up. Whew, made it to the road. Yeah, I love the wilderness. Love photography. Don't like being hunted. Before packing up for the night, I spotted this long lens shot of a saguaro cactus silhouetted against the final light of day as it sinks into the horizon. I was also able to capture a few very long exposures of the nighttime sky. Since there's not a lot of people driving right now, I've noticed the air quality has really improved and you can easily see Venus over the desert. Whew, what a beautiful night, despite the fact I felt like I was being hunted there. So, got a little bit of wind from the outdraft from this thunderstorm. It's to our north here, so hoping the microphone's working out great. Did not get to do that blue light, that blue hour cloud photography I was hoping for. Didn't really see good composition, and a saguaro cactus brilliantly backlit by the evening sky caught my attention. Also got a few good panos that include the stars. Since people really aren't driving that much these days, there's not as much pollution, and my God, the stars are beautiful. Anyhow, guys, hope you enjoyed the episode. Please click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that share button and share out this channel to your social media. I would deeply appreciate it. Remember, everybody, never stop exploring. I'll see you next time.